For over 50 years, Kemper-System has been the proven leader and innovator in cold, fluid-applied, reinforced waterproofing and roofing membranes. The following video provides you with a brief overview of the installation of our products. All Kemper-System materials are manufactured by Kemper-System, and accessories are made to strict specification. All liquid resins are two-part high solids eco-friendly formulations with a high content of natural and renewable resins. Applications include plazas, roofing and re-roofing, garden roofs, metal roofs including the dome of the Empire State Building, terraces and balconies, fountains, architectural landmarks, industrial floors, and difficult architectural designs. Good preparation is paramount to successful application. All surfaces need to be free of all loose material, and concrete needs to be mechanically ground clean. Any metal must be power brushed to bare metal. All drains must be ground and cleaned and chemical wiped to remove dust. All major seams or cracks must be filled to create a solid substrate. A mixture of primer and sand creates a slurry patching material which can be troweled onto vertical or horizontal surfaces to create a smooth profile for irregular conditions. All Kemper tools are made to specification, exclusively for use with our membranes and top coat systems. After preparation, you must apply a layer of Kemper primer to an even and smooth consistency. After curing, our primers serve as temporary waterproofing. For concrete surfaces, you must broadcast a layer of sand into the wet primer. Our resins offer polyester for low temperature and long-term warranty conditions, or polyurethane for odor-free applications. Our systems are self-contained and simplistic for the application process. For polyester systems, BR and V210, you combine the catalyst powder with the liquid resins and mix until you achieve consistent color. For our odor-free polyurethane 2K pour system, you combine parts A and B liquids and mix until all swirls are eliminated. All of our two-component high solids resins have a 20-minute pot life. Flashings of all drains and penetrations receive membrane prior to the field application. Fleece is cut in a finger joint pattern to conform to any irregular or cylindrical configuration. Resin is applied to the surface directly followed by the fleece to create an immediate bond and saturation process from the inside out. Additional resin is then applied to ensure that the fleece is fully saturated. An additional target sheet is applied to the detailed fleece to ensure full encapsulation of the structural element. The same process is applied to the installation at drain bodies or penetrations, but in an inverted fashion. For field application, corners inside and outside are applied first, followed by the base flashing. Directly after flashing application, field application can begin. When applying the 41-inch fleece in the field, apply a generous layer of resin to the field substrate extending 2 inches outside of the perimeter of the fleece. Roll the resin to an even consistency and carefully position and lay the fleece in the resin and work the roll out in 3-foot increments. When saturation is achieved, from the bottom up, apply another layer of resin to ensure full saturation of the fleece and avoid any visible dry fleece areas. When installing the next layer, be sure all lap seams at the flashings and butt joints are a minimum of 2 inches. You can broadcast sand into the wet resin or top coat for mechanical or aesthetic use.